Hi, this is 3D Focus TV from Dimension 3 here in Paris, and I'm here with David from the company SpatialView. Now, the last time I spoke to somebody from SpatialView was back in New York for the 3D experience. They have got two main products, one for the laptop screen, which is a 3D screen you put over your laptop to convert it to glasses-free 3D, and also a iPhone 4 screen as well that again converts it to 3D. Got to ask you first of all, what's happening with the screen for the laptop?
So for the 3D screen, we are still in the process of manufacturing it. So we have done several designs, and now we are just postponing the production. It will be probably in September, between September and December this year.
Okay, so tell me then, this isn't quite ready yet. When is this iPhone 4 going to be released, the screen?
This iPhone 4 will be released, in fact, officially the 15th of June. So today we are in the process to be the application approved by Apple, and we just have received the first cases from our producer, manufacturer.
Okay, let's have a look at the case then. Let's have a look at how it fits onto the iPhone 4.
Yeah, so what you have is that you have the iPhone 4 with the app, and then what you can do is you put the lens like this and you can see content in 3D. When you do not use it, you just put it in the back, and then it's protected and you have a normal case.
Fantastic. So how is this different? Because you have already got one for the iPhone 3GS.
3GS, yes.
So how is this better than that one? Because obviously it's a far higher resolution screen, isn't it?
Yes. First, the resolution of the screen is much higher, so the quality for the 3D is much better. And also we have think about the experience that we had with the 3GS, and thanks that we decided to design the 3D screen, the 3D slide like this, because we had some feedback from customers saying, okay, it would be better if we can keep the lens somewhere in the back of the 3D slide. And that is what we did.
So, you've got the slide. Now, obviously with glasses-free 3D, there's always the problem of, if you move your head very slightly, you lose the effects. What's the situation of this?
So the situation is still the same. Why? Because it's a small display, so you cannot expect to have a very bright 3D view, but we've improved that. So we have a better view than others because we have some, I would say, know-how patterns which allows to open the 3D view. So it's already better than others that you can see who use the 3D lens.
I mean, I have to say, I'll not just say this, but it's very, very impressive, and also the thing with the PC is very impressive.
Absolutely.
Very, very good. So let's just finish off talking a bit more about the application itself, because in here you've got all sorts of genres. You've got action, sci-fi, nature, music. So tell me about 3D Central then, and also with this slide, can you look at other no glasses 3D content, or does it only work with 3dcentral.com?
So for the 3D Central, what is very important is that it's a platform 3D, with 3D content, securized, and for multi-output. So you can use it, the 3D Central, with the iPhone and the 3D slide, but also with laptop and PC, with or without glasses, and with active glasses or with passive glasses. So there is a whole branch of 3D devices that can be used on the 3D Central. So it's not just for the iPhone, but also for laptops, for PCs, with glasses or without glasses.
If I had a really great 3D show and I said, listen, I'd love to get my show onto 3D Central, do you have a quality assurance process?
Yes, so the purpose, that's why we manage all the platform, because we don't want that the people can themselves upload content on the 3D Central. So what happens is that generally we sign an agreement with them, a distribution agreement, we check the quality, and effectively we have quality control. So we are working with professionals who provide their content on the 3D Central.
You do it on a revenue share basis, is that right?
Yes, that's the purpose. So if you are a content owner, what happens is that you provide your content, so there is a lot of paper that we have to sign. You check also the quality of what we are doing, we check your content to be sure that it fits in our policy, and then we agree that we are going to sell this content at the price that we have agreed, and then we share the revenue. So there is no cost for the content provider, it just provides this content, and then we work the different format for all the devices that exist.
Non-exclusive or exclusive?
It's non-exclusive.
Okay. Well, how much do you think this will be when it launches in June, roughly, or do you have any rough idea yet? Or?
So it will be launched in June around the 15th, as soon as the app will be approved by Apple.
Yeah.
So we don't know how fast they will approve that.
Okay.
And the case will be around €20 maximum.
€20, fantastic. Well, for €20, the fact that you can convert your iPhone 4 into glasses-free 3D is pretty amazing, I have to say. And obviously you've got, I mean, there is some free stuff on here as well on your 3D
So
Central.
on the 3D Central, absolutely, you can have free, you can have access to free preview, also free content, and generally it's content owner who provide some free stuff so they can see the genre that they are doing, and so after that they can buy other content.
Well, I'm telling you, if you have one of these on your iPhone 4, there's going to be a lot of people very curious and want to have a look at it. So thank you ever so much. To find out more about the website, it's 3D Central. You can see now on the bottom of your screen. And and there's the case as well, 3dcentral.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos, and follow on Twitter as well on any of the latest 3D news is on 3dfocus.co.uk. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.